Kael flies to the beach. But what should he pack? I pack my bag. Where's my yellow t-shirt? Hooray! On my bed, I pack my bag. Where's my toothbrush? Look, on the table. I pack my bag. Where's my swimming shorts? Great! On the chair, bag is packed. Let's go play! Kael flies to the beach. Hooray! Welcome to Whisperwood. Kael goes to the airport. Hooray! Hooray! He flies in a plane to the beach. At check-in, Kael gets a boarding card. Boarding card, boarding card. Where must he go? Kael sees a big screen. So many letters, so many numbers. Look at your boarding card. Flight number 123 at gate 2. Super, let's go! Kael sees so many bags. Roll, 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 so colorful. Red, blue, green. Kael sees many shops, snacks, sweets, and books. What a fun! Let's take a look at a big window. Kael sees baggage carts, frou, frou. They bring the bags to the plane. Kael hears a voice, loud and clear. Flight number 123, now boarding here. The captain says, seatbelts on tight. Time for takeoff. Have a good flight. Kael sees the plane. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Wheels go fast. Up it goes soon. Plane flies up to the sky. Kael smiles big, flying high. Kael loves the airport. So much to see, one big adventure. Kael goes to the beach, hooray! Kael goes to the beach, hooray! The sun is shining bright today. The sun is shining bright today. Kael builds a sandcastle to the sky. Kael builds a sandcastle to the sky. Kael splish splashes in the sea. Kael splish splashes in the sea. Kael eats an ice cream, yummy sweet. Yummy sweet. Kael loves the beach. Loves the beach. Don't miss an adventure. Subscribe.